Yellow, yellow. All right, so now let's do Hallelujah, okay? It's going to have the chords C, A minor, F, G, and E7. Nice. And we're going to use the down, down, up strum. So the down, down, up, down, up. And one pattern, down, down, up, equals one measure. So keep that in mind when you're analyzing the chords. And the arrangement of it goes just verse, chorus, verse, chorus, verse, chorus. So let's work on getting our strum down together. Starting on C, a 1, a 2, a 1, 2, 3, 4. C, A minor, down, up, C, down, up, A minor, down, up, F, down, up, G, down, up, C, down, up, G, down, up, C, down, up, F, G, G, A minor, down, up, F, down, up, G, down, up, E7, down, up, down. Halle chorus, Hallelujah, F, then to A minor, and then to F now, and then to C, and then to G, and then C, and then G, 2, 3, verse, down, down, up, A minor, down, up, C, down, up, A minor, down, up, F, down, up, G, down, up, C, down, up, G, down, up, C, down, up, F, G, G, A minor, down, up, F, down, up, G, down, up, E7, down, up, A minor, down, up, to chorus. 1, 2, 3, 4, Hallelujah, and then to A minor, and back to F, and then to C, and then to G, and then to C, yeah, and then to G, 2, 3, 4, verse, down, down, up, A minor, C, A minor, F to G, and then C, then G, 2, 3, 4, C, and then F, G, G, A minor, down, up, F, down, up, G, down, up, E7, down, up, A minor, down, up, down. All right, last chorus, let's go. Hallelujah, and everyone A minor. Hallelujah, Hallelujah, Halle C, and then to G, and then C, and then end on G, and on C after that. Yes, nice. Well, I hope this was a fun little way to get introduced to the song, and I hope you have a good day. Peace out.